Want to prevent your iPhone from overheating while charging? First, you want to remove any case or cover before you plug in your device, since heat can build up under thick or insulated cases. Next, charge your iPhone on a hard, flat surface rather than on a bed or couch where fabrics trap heat. Always use Apple-certified cables and adapters and avoid cheap third-party chargers that can deliver inconsistent power and generate excess heat. If possible, charge at a lower wattage by using a standard 5-watt adapter instead of a high-wattage fast charger. Now, when your iPhone charges, close background apps and avoid intensive tasks such as playing games or streaming videos, which force the processor to work harder and raise internal temperatures. You can swipe up to access the app switcher and swipe each app off of the screen to quit them. Keep your iPhone software up to date. For that, head over to Settings, tap on General, then select Software Update. If available, you want to update the software. If you notice persistent overheating issues, enable low power mode in the Settings option. For that, on Settings, tap Battery, select Power Mode, toggle on low power mode. And with these steps, you can prevent your iPhone from overheating while charging. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.